Hi, hello, how's it going? I have an eyebrows it today, so if my eyebrow is looking a little intense, that is why. Okay. I have this theory. Just hear me out. Washing machines are trying to take over the world. Either from your washer, your friend's washer, or your mother's washer. I'm sure you've heard this lovely little tune. It goes something like this. Isn't that pleasant? Isn't it lovely? But here's my question. Why is it so lovely? Why is it so pleasant? Why does everybody have that now? So many people have it in their house, but nobody hates it. You get this new washer and dryer, and the first time it goes off, it's a nice little surprise. It's like, oh, I didn't expect that. What do you know? And then after a few times, you find yourself singing along with it. You dance to it. It makes you happy. It's pleasant. I have even caught myself trying to harmonize with it. This tune is slowly taking over households all over the world, or at least in the US. I don't know exactly where it's manufactured and sold. And I don't trust it. Just to find a recording of this brainwashing tune, because I tried to record it myself and failed after one try, so I gave up. I typed in washing machine tune, and it was the first thing that popped up. It's everywhere, and people love it. I was looking at the comments on this video of the recording of the tune, and people are obsessed. Most of the comments were like, oh, I love this. Oh, this machine is magical. And people were straight up going insane. What is going on? We're hearing this like all day. How are we not getting annoyed with this? Even I'm not annoyed with it. I'm just suspicious of it. I think eventually this tune is going to make its way into the mainstream media. People will start sampling it into their trap music remixes. They'll put this beat behind it, and it'll make it sound even cooler, and they'll put that online, and then someone will make a viral vine about it, and it'll be like, when your laundry's done, and then it'll show them, they'll show them twerking to it, you know, like super relatable, like every vine ever. But by that point, everyone will have heard it, and before you know it, we'll all be embracing the warm, powerful arms of the Illuminati. And by then, it'll be too late, and we'll all be marching to this tune, and singing it, and doing our laundry, and it'll just be an endless world of torture and laundry. Isn't it weird that we just call washers washers? Like, we have dishwashers, and then we just have washers. Like, shouldn't we be a little more specific about the washers? Like, clothes washers, laundry washers. What are you washing? Why is the English language, why is it like this? Okay, bye.